Okay, good day ladies and gentlemen. Ngayong oras na ito ay magpapalit tayo ng keyboard para sa laptop na ito. Naayos ko na ito. Ang dati niyang problema is overheating. Pero na okay na. May isa siyang RAM na nasira. Kailangan na rin palitan yung CMOS battery niya. Now the latest problem was the keyboard. Okay, so para palitan ng keyboard nito, let us remove the battery first. Just like that. And then you lift the battery from here. Okay, so battery is out. Now the keyboard only has, I think, one holder, pero you just remove it anyway. This thing. Then this one, but there's no screw here right now, so never mind. Okay, this is my first time to replace a keyboard. Alright, so wala namang ibang linya dito. Now let us go to the other part. Ang klase itong laptop na to, wala pala siyang tinatawag na hard disk carry. Pwedeng lagyan. Okay, so na-upgrade ko na sa SSD na-upgrade na sa SSD ang laptop na ito, so mabilis. Now after that, we are going to remove this thing here, like that. Let's remove it. Ang tawag dito, Whoa. Okay, so it's removed. Now you have many screws here, there. Let's remove them. Okay, so let's remove the old keyboard. And so let's disconnect this thing here. There you go. Now before we completely remove this, let us unbox the keyboard na aking binili noon online. Alright, so this is the order ID for para sa information ng seller. Ayan, just in case na defective itong nabili natin, well, at least nakita niya itong unboxing video na ito and installation and testing na rin. Okay, so there's no opening here, so intact yung keyboard na dumating sa akin, although may nakita ko na if you're going to look closely, para siyang nahati na, no? So ayan, para na po siyang nahati. So I think this one was already opened somewhere, kasi dalawa na yung kanyang tawag dito, label. Yung isa JNT, yung isa hindi ko alam. Anyway, so now this keyboard here should exactly be the same sa ating tinanggal na keyboard. Kung hindi, lagot na. Alright, so we have the same keyboard, I think. There you go. So this is the old keyboard, this is the new keyboard. If you see, they have the same screw holes. Yeah, so screw hole there, screw hole again, and this one, and this one, and this one. They have same sets of keys. Yeah. Okay, so they look exactly the same, though may mga keys na iba yung label. This is an English keyboard, by the way. Ito ay Russian keyboard, if I recognize the letters right. This is a Russian keyboard. The original keyboard was the Russian one, and this is a US version of the keyboard. Okay, so mahal itong keyboard na ito. Now what we're going to do next is to remove this cable, the connector, because this connector is not included dito sa keyboard na bago. So let's remove it. There we go. Okay. Alright, so this is the old connector. I'm going to discard this old keyboard now. Punasan natin. And then we're going to put the new cable here. Yeah. Let's put the new keyboard connector in this thing here. It's the board, and this should fit without any problems. Go ahead. Okay, so it fit. Let's close the connector, and let's close this thing here, and there you go. So okay, so this keyboard should be fit this way, like that, and then this wire will be like this. Should be like this, like that. Okay, nice. The keyboard is not working. Keyboard is not working. So let's put the lock inside. Lock it in. Right. Yes. Keyboard is not working, man. Okay, so let's see. Let's set this. Yes. Can you see it? It's not working. You can see that it's responding now. Now what's next is I'm gonna test the keyboard using an online tester. Okay, yeah, test 6 weeks. Okay, fine. Okay. Mami, stay here. Anak, go to mami. Stay here. Nak. Start. All right. All keys are working. New keyboard. Okay, it's not alright. So keyboard is not working.